Hi friends, welcome to CodeShika. In this tutorial, we will learn how to submit a form in Django without page refresh using Ajax. If you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to this channel to get the new video updates first to you. Let's start the tutorial. You might have faced a problem of page refresh, that is, when we submit a form in Django in a simple way, the page gets refreshed. That is an annoying issue. So, how do we get rid of it, or how do we update just a portion of a web page, that is, a form, without having to refresh the entire page? Then Ajax comes into the picture. Ajax is a client-side technology used for making asynchronous requests to the server side, that is requesting or submitting data where their responses do not cause an entire page refresh. You can see here as Ajax is written at a client side, it is called by our UI directly. Through Ajax call, we request or submits data to Django view. Then the view in turn returns some response which is understandable by Ajax. Now the Ajax is able to display the returned response to the browser through our UI. That is basically the flow of our Ajax call. Let's start the demo of this tutorial. Here I have already created this Django project. In form app itself, I will do form related coding. In models.py file, I have created this user model. In forms.py, I have created this sign up form for the user model, and this is a template I have created for displaying the sign up form. Now let's create the view for displaying the form. Type here from dot forms import sign up form def sign up request. If request dot method equals to post, then pass else form equal to sign up form return render request comma sign up form dot html. Pass the form colon form. Here we will display the empty sign up form for the get request. Next, create the URL for this view. Type here from dot views import sign up. Add sign up comma name equals to sign up. Now let's run the server. Python manage.py run server. Here you can see our sign up form is displaying. Here when I filled all the form fields and clicked on the submit button, I want to call Ajax function to submit all the form data to Django view. Next, the view will create the user in the database. So first for post request, check whether the request is Ajax. Type here and request dot is Ajax. Create the form using submitted data. Form equals to sign up form request dot post. Check the form is valid. If form dot is valid, type here data equals to here data in bracket success equals to true. Return HTTP response JSON dot dumps data comma content type equals to application slash JSON else data in bracket success return HTTP response JSON.dumps data content type equals to application application slash JSON. Here data will tell the form is valid or not. So we need to return this data to Ajax call in the JSON format only. So we converted this data to JSON using dumps method of JSON. Now let's write Ajax call. Give the ID to this form. ID equals to ID sign up form. Now let's write the Ajax call script. Type equals to text JavaScript dollar document dot on submit. Give the ID of the form ID sign up form function event. Next we need to prevent the default behavior of the browser to submit the form using event dot prevent default. Now type alert Ajax called. First we will check whether this call is working. Now fill this form. Priya at gmail.com. Give the password. You can see here our script is working. Here we need to save submitted form data to database. We can do that directly with form as we are dealing with model form. Type here form.save. Now let's write Ajax call to call this view. Type here var sign up form ID equals to dollar hash ID sign up form dollar dot Ajax bracket. I will open the browser. Here you can refer this site for any details of Ajax call. I will give its link in the video description. You can check it. Now type here URL. Give here the URL of the Django view. Bracket %URL. Sign up. Next type. Provide the type of the request, that is post. Next provide data. That is the data to send. Sign up form ID dot serialize. This function will encode form fields as a string for submission. Next provide data type. Here we will give type of data we are expecting from server, that is JSON. Next success. This block will be called if Django view calls successfully. Function response success equals to response in bracket success if success alert form valid and user created successfully. We will show this message when the form is created successfully, else alert got form errors. Here we are fetching success value from response to check whether the form is valid or not. Next provide failure function response error alert error occurred while calling Django view. This block will execute if any error occurs while calling the Django view. Now go to browser and provide the details. priya@gmail.com. Password. Click on the sign up button. You can see here it's not showing any alert message. Inspect here. Go to the console tab. You can see here it's showing an error message, failed to load resource. That is, it's not giving us permission to create the user. So see here for Ajax post request, we need to pass CSRF token in as a post data with every post request. And we can do that on each XML HTTP request. We need to set X CSRF token header to the value of the CSRF token. And this is an official document. I will give link to this page in the video description. You can check it for any details. Now add here CSRF token. Now add here header. We will pass the CSRF token as a header in this post request. X CSRF token colon CSRF token. Refresh the page and provide the details again. Click on sign up. You can see here the message form is valid and user created successfully. It is showing. Here we submitted the form without page refresh using Ajax. Here I have added user model to admin site. We can check here the newly created user. Click on users. Click user object. Here the user with name Priya More is created. I saved the password as a inputted characters, but it is not a good way. We did it for learning purpose here only. Here, when I pass only first name, the form will give error both first name and last name required, because I have added this name validation logic to check both first name and last name. Now here pass only first name, click sign up. It is showing message got form errors. That is, when the form is invalid, we can show the form with errors by replacing this form using Ajax. That is, form validation using Ajax, and we will see this part in the next tutorials. So friends, in this tutorial we learned how to submit a Django form without page refresh using Ajax. If you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to the channel to get the new video updates first to you, and comment below if you have any queries. Then we will meet in the next tutorial with a new topic. Bye bye.